What's up, folks? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're here at Disney's Boardwalk and we're gonna check out the gondola ride that they have here. The gondolas bring you from the boardwalk to all different types of Disney resorts. So we're gonna take the gondola from Disney's Boardwalk to Disney's Riviera Resort and onwards to Disney's Hollywood Studios Resort. I'm currently on the gondola. I'll bring you back to the beginning where we started the ride from Disney's Boardwalk. All right, let's go. This here is the gondola station. These gondolas obviously save you from driving to all these Disney resorts, and Disney is so big, it makes sense. And the gondola here is called the Disney Skyliner. Alright peeps, so we're gonna head on the gondola here. We're gonna take the gondola to Disney Riviera Resort and I'll show you what it's like riding the gondola here at Disney's Boardwalk. Keep in mind peeps, the gondola ride here is free for everyone. You don't have to pay to access it, and you can access the gondola to ride around to all the Disney resorts. That's pretty cool. I'm taking a video, so I did request a clear cabin. They're going to give me a cabin that's video worthy. Alright peeps, we are in the Disney gondola right now. Let's check out what the ride is like. Here we go. We are leaving from Disney's Boardwalk, which is just down there.
Welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Epcot International Gateway. We're flying to Disney's Riviera Resort with a final stop at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort.
You can see a view of the Swan Resort just over there. That's the resort that we saw as we went along Disney's Boardwalk.
Soon we'll be flying past Disney's Boardwalk Inn and Disney's Boardwalk Villas. This charming lakeside resort offers magical lounges, interesting restaurants, and live entertainment on the boardwalk every evening. We are now approaching the Skyliner turn station. While this special station was designed just for turning, other Skyliner stations were designed to complement their unique environment, from the glamour of Disney's Hollywood Studios to the laid-back islands of Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort.
The Disney gondola is a popular means of transportation here at Disney World. There's also boats that you can use to access the Disney properties, including Disney Springs and so on. Keep that in mind so you don't have to drive everywhere. They also have buses that take you from the resorts. It's a quick and easy way to access the Disney resorts all around the Disney World property. The best thing about it as well is that it's free and you don't have to pay anything to access the gondolas. You can get to and from the other Disney properties quickly. check this out. We are here at Disney's Riviera Resort. I'm gonna quickly show you what it's like here, what they got to do. It is one of the Disney World resorts where you can stay at and enjoy your vacation and experience the Disney theme parks. Check it out. This here is their exterior pool. And we're gonna head inside and see what the lobby area looks like. I was told by one Disney employee that they do have a huge mural that I should check out. Let's go check that out and see what it's like. Before we go inside the lobby, you can see their exterior area right here. They have outdoor chess, cool play area for kids with Connect 4. In getting here, I did take the Disney Skyliner gondolas. I took that from Disney's Boardwalk Resort over here to Disney's Riviera Resort. And you can see the same gondolas in the distance there. Over here, they have a second pool area with lifeguards. And this is a pretty sizable resort. It's huge. In addition to the Disney gondolas that you can see in the distance, they do also have boats that take you around to the Disney resorts as well. And they have buses that access all the resorts. There's no shortage of transportation here at Disney World. If you are visiting Disney World or Orlando for the first time, we are in Florida, folks, so keep an eye out for areas like this. There might be snakes, alligators, and stuff like that. Just gotta be aware of your surroundings. And Disney World is a huge property. Make sure to wear comfortable shoes because you will be walking a lot. Check out this water feature here at the Disney Riviera Resort. We're gonna go right back around here into the lobby area and then we'll check that out and then head back on the Disney Skyliner. This is what the exterior of the resort looks like, and you can see the lawn hedges are well manicured, well kept, typical of Disney World properties. The pool deck hours are from 10 a.m. till 10 p.m. daily. Over here they have a bar called Bar Riva, and beside that a restaurant called Primo Piatto. We're back near the entrance area here at the lobby. We're gonna head back and go inside the lobby and check it out. So this is what it's like inside the Disney Riviera Resort. Check it out. This direction would be where you would head to get to the Primo Piatto restaurant. We're gonna go upstairs to see what the lobby area looks like. We're coming from outside right there via the Disney Skyliner. And this here is the lobby area. This is the exterior drop-off and pickup area, as well as the valet entrance here at Disney's Riviera Resort. There's a cafe at the entrance here called Le Petit Cafe, serving up some nice coffees, teas, etc. That's it for our tour here at the Disney Riviera Resort. I did not stay here. I just took the gondola here from Disney's Boardwalk Inn and Villas just to check it out, see what it's like. It is a Disney Vacation Club property. I believe that's a timeshare. I could be mistaken. Let me know in the comments below. Pretty cool resort. Well maintained, well kept. The exterior looks pretty nice, and you can access it via Disney transportation, either by the gondola, buses, or even boats. So that's pretty cool. You can get here easily. We're gonna head back on the Disney Skyliner gondola and take it over to Disney's Hollywood Studios Resort, and I'll show you guys that in our next video. Take care. Peace out from Disney World here in Orlando, Florida. Leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out.